Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. This creamy broccoli cheddar soup is rich, smooth, and loaded with real cheese and fresh broccoli. Made completely from scratch in one pot. This soup is comforting, easy, and tastes better than anything you'll get in a restaurant. In this Cooking with Rod video, I'll show you step by step how to build a perfect roux, melt the cheese smoothly so there's no grainy texture, and get that thick, velvety finish every time. This is perfect for cozy dinners, cold weather comfort food, bread bowls, or easy meal prep. Okay, first up we're gonna chop some onions. Then we're gonna mince a couple of cloves of garlic. Chop up our broccoli. Then shred our cheddar cheese. Okay, we're gonna build our base. So in a large stainless steel pot, melt the butter over medium heat. We're gonna add our diced onions, cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring often until soft and translucent. Then we're gonna add in our minced garlic and cook that for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant. Now we're gonna make our roux, so sprinkle the flour evenly over the onions. Stir that constantly and cook for about 1 minute to remove the raw flour taste. Now we're gonna add our liquids. Slowly whisk in the chicken broth, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Once that's smooth, we'll whisk in the milk. Then we'll bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Do not let it boil. Now we'll add our vegetables, so stir in the broccoli and the carrots. Simmer uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the broccoli is tender. Now we're going to reduce our heat to low. We're going to add the grated cheddar cheese, 1 handful at a time, stirring until fully melted in before adding more. Then we're going to season that up with salt, pepper, and optionally paprika or mustard powder. Now do not boil after adding the cheese. This prevents the grainy texture. So there you go, broccoli cheddar soup. You can serve that up in a warm bowl or in a bread bowl. Alright, so store this in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 4 days. Gently reheat that on the stovetop over low heat, stirring often. It's not recommended to freeze any soup with cheese because the sauce may separate. Keep the broccoli finely chopped for a smoother texture. Use the same pot for all the ingredients. Stir slowly when adding the cheese for a perfect melt. So there you go. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.